Hey everybody, so we're here at the Collection in Miami. Fabulous car store, toy store beyond extreme. We unfortunately had to go move the 720 over to the new dyno. So we're wasting a little time doing a little fun car shopping. Hopefully it's gonna make 1,000 horsepower, but we don't know yet. We'll see soon.
This only goes to customers who actually raising the Ferrari challenge. You have the option of getting this, and you choose your number, and the number's actually changes. You see?
Yeah. See, I would buy this, but 17 is my unlucky number.
I'm sorry.
You know how people say imitation is the best form of flattery?
Not in all cases.
I think Ferrari would genuinely not take that way.
You gotta give him a little credit. That's a cool looking Lancer.
I don't disagree, but like the Ferrari, like I'm just saying, like Ferrari would not be appreciative. Let me put it that way.
It's a faux Ferrari.
A Ferrari.
So 2 hours later, we're at the new location. This place has AC, so we finally have some cold temperatures. And the dyno is a rear-wheel drive dyno, not the all-wheel drive. So it's not gonna have the parasitic loss. Let's go check it out.
Turn it up.
Oh my god. We're about to attempt 1,000 horsepower. I think it's gonna be good. I think we're gonna do it. Initial thoughts, what do you think?
I can't hear you.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Initial thoughts? It's really loud.
You are in an echo area too, by the way.
We
you know?
are very close to the number.
You said 912?
That one.
Yeah, 918, probably a lot older. 912, after us, still make it say no.
Now you're gonna ask me the question, right?
No. This is what him and I talked about. Right now we have an 8-second path on the car. We'll know this car is going. If you want to see a number, we can add 3 more degrees of timing. Probably get you at 1,000, but we're gonna run it on this map. So if you want to get a number, that's the only way we're gonna get a number.
Take a long time.
No, you gotta fully see us.
So he made the decision.
Yes. Savage Garage is about to get savage. We did back-to-back pulls. The car's backing up the numbers 918, 912. Car's healthy, happy, loves it. This is a similar map than what we ran the 8-second on. And this car actually made about 60 more horsepower in that car on this dyno. So we know this car has a lot more in it. to pass the car was 932 and 763.
Hey everybody, welcome back. We are talking about the 720S, everything that's going on with it. 720 literally has been test driven for about 500 miles now, making sure that everything is solid, it's perfect. We're gonna have a great time with it. We are gonna shoot for that 1,000 horsepower. I think we're close. We need a little bit of cooler temperatures, but other than that, we are gonna rock it. It is going to do probably an 8.8 quarter mile. We're gonna have it on Gold Rush, we're gonna have it on Ace of Spades, so we're gonna definitely take on a bunch of people, so it's gonna be killer, so watch out.